It really made me feel like a leader, someone who could move things in the right direction, especially because it helped me play a part in one of the biggest construction firm's sustainability teams. It's truly a global fellowship. I got to interact with other cohort members from US and China.
You work very independently on those projects with minimal hand-holding. The ability to actually make substantial decisions for big companies and to see those impacts right in front of you is something that's very rewarding.
Fellows come from a different diverse domains. There's so much young crowd in the fellowship program.
It gives the young generation a chance to work with big brands in the corporate world.
I worked on a lot of projects which sharpened both my quantitative and qualitative skills in sustainability.
I was working as a biotechnologist before, and the fellowship really gave me that path to start working in the ESG and the consulting space.
The training provides a detailed perspective into various aspects of climate change, like in agriculture and health, in sustainability.
Entering this space is a hurdle in terms of knowledge access, in access to network. EDF is that bridge here for you.